How to configure payment methods in Magento Commerce. This tutorial will show you how to configure payment methods in Magento Commerce and assumes you're already logged into Magento. Go to System and select Configuration. Scroll down to the Sales options. Select Payment Methods. This page lets you choose which payment method your store will accept. Click the arrow to expand options. If credit card verification is off, you can turn it on. When you are finished configuring these options, you can collapse them. You can configure options for check or money orders. You can disable checks and money orders. Collapse these options. You can also set up PayPal payments. Enable the option. When you are done, click Save Config. The configuration has been saved. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to configure payment methods in Magento Commerce.